Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You like the new setup? And my hands are blue because I dyed my daughter's hair blue and I had to use gloves, so it was really hard to take it off. But anyways, so this video is just, I'm gonna unbox and use the products of my June Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got my June Boxycharm, just keep on watching. So this month is Boxycharm Getaway. This is the theme. So let's see, I got 5 products. And the first one I'm so excited to try out is the No Problemo, which I love. The other one, where is it at? Where is it at? This is the other No Problemo. So I'm excited to try this Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So it has flower extract. This primer tightens up your pore, keeping your skin silky smooth. So I'm excited to try this one. This one retails for $23. So this is the box, and here it is. I'm so excited to try it. So okay, as you can see, bare face. I'm going to try this primer. I love the way it looks. Look at the tip. Oh, so that's the tip right there. It's like a, and I've seen videos and it looks like a jelly. I'm just gonna mix it because I'm not sure. So let me see if you guys can see this in camera. So I don't know how much you're supposed to put, but there you go. Really like silky smooth serum. It's like a silky smooth serum. I need more on this other side. I wonder if you can hear my washer. So if there's noise in the background, it's my washer in the laundry room, which is next door. Sorry. Right. It's a little tacky, which is good. So I'm gonna do my rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, my face is done. So next I see in the box, which I should have took out first. But is this Saint Tropez Self Tan Classic. It's a bronzing mousse and it comes with a mitt. So this one retails for $24.50 and it's a self tanner. So this is the mitt that it comes with. Self tanner. So it comes out as a mousse. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm not gonna do it because I've done it before and it left me orange, but it was a different one. So that'll be another video. So let's see if I can put on a paper towel. So this is what the mousse looks like. So does it say natural looking tan classic? So it doesn't say like dark or medium, so it should just be natural. No. So that one aside, and the next is this Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $36. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, look how pretty the packaging is. Ta-da! It's all like natural shades. All natural. I know who to give this to. Alright, so right now we are going to be doing a natural look. I actually love Tarte eyeshadows. I'm excited to try this. So first off, we're going to, and it has the names in the back. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Nope, you can't see that. But it has the names in the back. So I'm going to start off with this light brownish shade right here for my transition with my MODA brush. hair goes lower as I twist. So sorry if I'm going up and down. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this darker one right here for the outer corner. I'm also using a MODA brush. Love these brushes, they're so affordable and they're so pretty. Do you guys see the new neon ones? I ordered those. I have a code with them, which is all caps Diff, and it gives you some discount. So don't forget to use the code Diff on MODA brushes. Alright, let me swatch the shimmer shades. Those are the shimmer shades. Really pretty. Perfect for summer. Danny a 10. That's why I got the self tanning. I think I'm going to go in with this. I'm gonna go with the gold, which is this one right here. And I'm going with my Sigma E60, which is a large shader brush. You can also use the code Tiffany. Hey, I'm pushing my codes out there. They're affiliate links. Well, actually, the Sigma one's affiliate link. I am pushing my codes out there. So for Sigma products, use code Tiffany to save you some coins. Okay, and I added this light shimmer one on my brow bone. Okay, the last two products are lip liner and lip gloss. So I got the lip liner Dirty Little Secret lip liner, smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. So I'm going to, let's see. This one reaches for $15. So this is the shade Pale Pink. So that's Dirty Little Secret right there. It's pretty nude shade. Whoa, really nude. So I'm going to outline my lips. You can't even see it. It's actually not that smooth. It's kind of dry. You can't even see it on my lips, but I don't know if I'm a big fan of this one. It felt dry. It didn't go on smooth at all. So next is, I'm very excited for this, is a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in peach tea. This one retails for $17. I love everything from this brand, so I'm so excited to try it. I'll put it in the box. And it's so pretty. So here is the packaging. Really pretty. Not a big gloss fan, but hopefully it's one of those that I like. It smells like sweet. It's really pretty. Doesn't feel sticky at all. See, there it is. I need to highlight. I'm gonna try to use this one for a highlight. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go on my BH Cosmetics brush. Use this shade that I use one for my brow bone for highlight. Oh, okay. Since I didn't get the highlight, create my own. Okay, let's total all this up. $115.50. I loved everything except for these two. I wasn't really excited to get this one. I wish I got highlighter instead that everybody's getting and loving. But I'll try some for the summer when I'm not working so it won't look so dark. And I wasn't a big fan of this lip liner. It's super drying and it didn't even do anything for my lips. Like there's no color at all. So this was not a good one for me. As of these two are my favorite out of all of them. I love the eyeshadow palette. Love for a natural look. But I'm going to give it somebody who loves browns. I won't reach for it, as it'll just be sitting in my drawer. So, but these two, I will be definitely using these this summer, definitely. So you can get 5 to 6 full-size products for $21. Sign up with the link below, but don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I just said that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.